Chocolate almond muffins are one of the best muffins with the rich chocolate flavor and crunchy almonds. The smell while baking these chocolate almond muffins will make your mouth fill with the water. These muffins are very tasty. One of my best muffins. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chocolate almond muffins. Let's begin with chopping the almonds. Take 60 grams of almonds and cut them into large chunks and keep them aside. After cutting almonds, take 100 grams of room temperature unsalted butter and whisk it till it gets creamy texture. When butter becomes creamy, take 100 grams of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Add gradually to the butter and whisk. When sugar and butter combines well, take 2 eggs, break them separately in a bowl. Mix the eggs. Add gradually to the butter mixture and continue to whisk. When you've finished adding the egg, take 50 ml of curd or yogurt, add 50 ml of milk and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix well and keep it aside. Now into the sieve, add 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of cocoa powder and 6 grams of baking powder. Sift in half of the dry ingredients and mix. When half of the dry ingredients mixed well, add half of the yogurt mixture and mix. Now sift the remaining flour and add remaining yogurt mixture and mix well in cut and fold method. When all the ingredients mixed well, Now it's time to add choco chips and almonds. Here I'm taking 60 grams each. And leave some for topping. Mix well almonds and choco chips well into the batter. Now take cupcake molds. Here I'm using silicone molds in the cavity for easy removal. You can use as per your convenience. Fill the muffin batter little bit above the mold. Don't worry, it will not spill out while baking. But this extra will give beautiful shape to the muffins. Now bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, our tasty fluffy chocolate almond muffins are ready. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.